Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reach the roof of Old Church in Stalker 2. Alright, first one here is to go to this location. Now once you're in here, you're going to want to go inside. Once you go inside, you can see this medkit right here. Just go ahead and shoot it if you want to collect the medkit. Now make sure that you'll see this particular area right here with scratches. Now once you saw this, you're going to want to shoot these planks right here. Alright, until it is widely opened, and you're going to want to enter the basement. Now once you're in here, just go forward until you see these barrels right here at the top. Just go ahead and jump. Again, jump. Alright, now once you're on this area, you're going to want to jump on the side of this wood right here at the roof. Jump in there. Alright, and you should be able to see this area right here. Just go ahead and jump in this window, and now you just reach the roof of the old church. That's basically it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.